Oh, thanks, Dookie Duke. I'm gonna get you a fucking drink for this, for a ride in your beast.
Oh, by the way, last time you were here,
yeah,
my stereo was working. It's not working.
Oh. Oh yeah, the new one.
Yeah, the new one I said I had.
God damn. It hasn't got sat nav. Has it?
Oh, it hasn't done anything wrong there, so that's why I'm keeping it. So.
Has it got sat nav?
You got chat nav on it, yeah? But not sure. No, it ain't got chat nav built in, but I can do this.
Oh, mate, this is exactly what I want for E34.
Yeah, this is what I can do.
I know, actually.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
So right now, I could just I'm charging my phone as well. And I can do...
This is good shit.
Right there.
And how much was that?
I only paid 60 quid for it.
60 quid?
60 quid, yeah.
Netflix, god damn it.
So I can work Netflix on it.
That's good. That's decent, mate.
So and I can also, for example, put my YouTube on.
Yeah, fuck. I never usually put seatbelt on, but with you driving, fuck this shit. Let's go.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Come with a remote. Yeah.
God damn!
That's how I opened it, and this is how you close it.
Man, you look like a proper Chinese gadget man. Is this your life?
That's your light.
Good.